Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch painting that was supposed to be the Northern Lights, and if you shimmer it, it's like not horrible, but I really hate it. I'm sorry, I just don't like it. And it's got to go, and I'm going to use it as an experimental tool. I've got a sheet of acetate, not wide enough. I have a sheet of acetate that is wide enough in case my plan doesn't work, but I think this is going to work okay. I just may need a paper towel at some point in time that I don't have yet. So I'm going to grab some Anita's White Metallic, put it right in there, some green, emerald green, that's a Deco Art Americana Metallic. This is some Artist Loft, Amethyst. This is a little bit of Anita's White Metallic with pink in it. This is the wasn't clogged a moment ago, now is clogged. Just give me a moment. This is the Pink Diamond from Color Art, which is a new Prism Pour color that I totally live for. Almost exactly as much as I did for the Hot Orchid. It'd be nice if it is screw on. And I'm going to put that right up front. And I'm going to figure pretty quick here. That's dioxazine purple. I want some turquoise too. I really do. I'm going to use the electric blue from Arteza instead. Whoa. I don't think that'll make any difference. That was a first. Alright. This is it. I'm taking some of the Amsterdam black that's added to the Australian Floetrol. I'm thinking about some gold. I've got some iridescent gold from Golden. Who knows what's going to happen, and I'm going to do this a whole bunch more times. Next time I might just cover the whole canvas though. I kind of want anything extra I have off of there to use on my edges. So I'm going to use an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Grab my residuals. Put them down right there. I think I'm going to spread this out. Not that it's going to be the best coverage in the world, but it might be okay. I think I'm going to blow this out. Figuring there's an excellent chance that that's going to come. Going to bring some cells back into this. Not bad for the first. Alright, so I figured, oh please come out. I can always use my Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. And I want something darker, so I'm going to use the Hot Orchid this time. What's left of it. I got to mix up some more. That looks far more like magenta than Hot Orchid. But if it is, I guess we'll find out together. Let's put some Pink Diamond in there anyway, so you can see the difference. I'm going to use some iridescent blue, some Venetian blue this time. And what am I missing? I want some red. Is that weird? And of course it's plugged. It has to be plugged. That just wouldn't be today unless it was plugged. Maybe my tweezers will open it up. Maybe my tweezers are someplace I can find them. Yay. I really wanted some orange. I see that weird spot. It can go away. I think I'm going to put some orange in there. It might be very strange. It's so tempting to use my spatula. I think the orange is going to go right here. And some more gold maybe. Not that that's not on its way to being plugged up too. Come on. I kind of want to tip that back and forth so it goes all the way to the edges this time so I don't have the same issue I had last time. I'll just use my fingers. I know that's not kosher because I don't wear gloves. Alright, let's do the black cell activator somewhat generously. Do I want some white in there? I don't think I like the white in there, but I might want to use some yellow. I'll get green. Maybe it'll be fine to get green, because I've got a blue on either side. Well, that worked to a point. Let's grab. I think a wet paper towel would have been better. So far, it's really ugly. Might be cool. Let's just keep dripping until things start to appear that I want to see. Yep, I'm not hating it so much anymore. I'm hating it. I'm liking it actually. I think I'm going to go from the other side. And I'm going to have to find a way to make that card stay down completely. Whoops, right over the edge. No, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I am doing it. I am looking for a hot orchid. And then I'm going to use this with the colors that are on it. No, I'm not. Because they're going to look beautiful spread out. Oh, there's a complete rainbow there. That's what's left of it. I'm going to use the purple. No, I'm not. What am I going to use? The white this time? I could. Let's try the... Really? I'm not... I shouldn't be surprised. Quick wipe off on my apron, so less chance of muddying the colors. Might be totally weird. I might wish I had a edge catcher under there. Well, I'm not sure that that was a good experiment for anyone else to try, but some days you have it and some days you don't, and I can never tell, but this might be a great thing to use my new toothy tool on, my spatula head that I cut the notches out of. It could still turn into something interesting, I suppose. I'm kind of not hating it, actually, now that I'm looking at it. Sort of like Jackson Pollock meets. Oh, that would be cool if that would get covered. A little canvasy spot. Well, yeah, no, I don't hate it. I just don't think it would be a very easily repeatable process, to tell you the truth. I don't mind everything going down here, so long as it stops while it's somewhat even. I have a bubble. And I have a lump. And I am going to torch. I do regret having put that white in. I don't know what I was thinking. I have got enough colors on my edge catcher to cover my edges, where the pink is anyway. Shouldn't take too long with that. That's pretty cool. Especially hung straight up and down. I want to put some black in there. See, there's some black right there. I don't think I need to. I could, but I'm not going to. Alright, so that was a weird experiment. I don't think we're going to have any trouble at all with the background showing up. I'm not sorry it's gone. I like this better than I like that. My color combinations were definitely experiments, and some of them, I mean, they worked in their areas, and then they sort of worked together too, so I could fix this end if I wanted to, with some more color and some more cell activator. I got rid of any of those spots where the card didn't stick down. I really think the wet paper towel works for larger areas, because you can't make it have a gap in it. So this is actually pretty cool in that regard. It would survive the gaps, but I would do it with a paper towel again next time. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, throwing my tools in the bucket and willing to get the paint off my hands. It's time. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Check my link tree for my brand new Society 6 and my Legalerist clothes, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. I love you guys. Please ask questions if you'd like to. I'm happy to get back to you anytime I can. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it helps me out. This is pretty slick, actually. It's at least rainbowy, and it's got tremendous, tremendous cells, so nobody's complaining anymore. At least not for now. Not till I put black paint all over it and then scrape it away, which could also be very cool. Alright, I love you guys. My email address is below my link tree if you want to contact me in regard to purchasing an artwork or reserving class, or at least getting information about taking a private lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My community board will have tomorrow's video on it most days, and most days I will have a video. And as yet, we're still posting at 9:30 a.m. 10 p.m., but that could change any time. I'm Brain cramp. 2,200 videos. I now have links to playlists. If you go to all playlists, creative playlists, when you use my channel name and go to my channel, you'll find the community board and the playlists. If you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I'll give you a hand. There is a monthly drawing that helps support the production of videos and the purchase of art supplies at the studio. There's never more than 10 or 15 people in it. There are always paintings, and you can see the paintings shown at the beginning of the exhibition video that you should find on the end screens of all recent videos, right around the time this is this is playing, assuming I play this. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted, and thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Don't forget to share, and don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you. When you watch longer and watch the commercials, you help me pay for art supplies, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Love you much. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.